Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 VW Golf SE Nav Estate. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Indium grey. As we have a look inside the car, you can see you've got the nice clean interior. Seats are really supportive, and there's a two cup holders and an armrest there in the centre of the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre too. Being the estate, you've got a really good sized boot, so that goes back quite a way with the split folding rear seats just under the parcel shelf there. And below the boot floor, you also have some extra storage as well as a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.